What's good, guys? Me and Kylie will be playing
Ganyan rin yung ano ko eh.
Roblox Brookhaven.
Okay, nasan ka na?
I'm gonna adjust my size to my normal size a bit.
Kailangan ano eh. Black tayo.
I wanted my normal size.
Okay, ako na black. Hindi naman nila malalaman.
That what? That what, Kylie?
Okay guys, kung di nyo
Oh,
alam
there's a
yung
shirtless
English.
bald man! I'm gonna use my go-kart.
Okay, what the heck is wrong with my face?
Here we go.
Yan na.
Din-in-in.
Saan ka na?
I'm gonna be exposing online daters like what we discussed about, right?
What the heck is wrong with that thing?
Wait, I'm gonna rob a bank first.
Ayan yung ano eh, minute ko. Ang rude nila guys. Uy, mga antay.
Why is everybody using a go-kart? I don't understand. Is go-kart driving happening?
Sila, oh. Baka siya yung ma-arrested.
Real. So true. I'm gonna rob a bank.
Deserve mo yan, karma. Nasaan ka na? House 11?
No, I'm gonna be robbing a bank. She's gonna Tagalog only, cause that's the.
Nagla-live ako, tas
Well,
looks
like someone already did the thing for me.
Ay,
Oh yes! I wanna be trapped in here.
I'm disgusted. Ang ganda na ang bahay nito, guys. Tingnan natin. Uy, lalalala.
I am.
Okay, guys. Ipaprank natin yung mga online daters.
I'm inside of the vault when it's closed.
Ipaprank natin yung mga online daters. Magiging boys tayo. Pas tayo ng
Right. Forgot about the window. Now I gotta get out of here before the roleplay clock.
Tingnan natin kung may lalaki ba akong avatar. Kasi minsan nagpaprank ako. Ano to?
What?
Ay, yung ano ko to.
Wait, what the hell?
Eto.
What in the skibbity yacht? Okay,
Yeah.
there we go. Wait, what? Oh, right, the secret door. Of
Ito
course.
na ganito yung body ko, guys. Pabrank ko to mga to. Grabe.
I'm gonna change my clothes.
Pabrank lang tayo.
I'm gonna change my clothes.
What the
Smiley
sigma?
face. Pizza! Yeah, I'm gonna wear that.
Okay.
Nah,
Okay,
something else.
this. Ano mas bagay, guys?
Nice. I actually like that.
Ito. What the heck? Wait na.
What the Sigma? I'm
Wait na,
gonna
naglalag to, guys.
Okay, finding online
Ayan.
finding online daters. Pro tip number 1: always look in the most drama in the most Darman story places. I'll give you, for example, school, and other example, Brooks Diner. There's gotta be some online daters in here. I'm gonna get my locker. I wanna get a locker.
Guys, itong body. Ang fat niya itong body.
That's crazy.
O, ito.
Gonna need
What the
that.
heck?
Ooh.
Guys.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna
Ganun
do
dapat
some.
yung ginawa
I'm
ko.
gonna basketball for a bit.
Ganyan ba?
Jesus.
Konting. Okay na daw.
There we go. I'm gonna
Malaki.
turn on the lights and.
Parang maliit.
Where'd the bell go? Oh, there we go. Bell. Go.
Okay.
You know what?
Okay, guys. Ito na, diba?
Kylie!
Akala nyo, guys.
Kylie, tinan mo.
Oo, alam ko yan. Akala nyo, guys, hindi ako mag-change ang outfit. Excuse me, change ako.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I'm already a boy, so trolling online daters is gonna be so much so easy.
Kailangan parang rich ka.
Yeah, they're not gonna.
Hindi nila maano accept yan. Kaya tingnan mo. Dapat ito yung gagawin ko.
I'm gonna do
Guys,
the
walang
obviously.
parang lalaking Hala, ito, pang lalaki. Favorite na favorite ko tong face, guys. Yung man face, grabe. Kaya ito.
She loves the man face. She says it looks like
At saka ito, ganun.
She says it looks like Dwayne The Rock Johnson for some reason, which it does.
Chris,
It does, Kylie. It does look like Dwayne The Rock Johnson.
ito na lang gagawin natin. Tapos, lalagyan natin.
For you guys who don't know, because I haven't exposed it yet, I have basketball practice, but I sadly lost the basketball under a bed, and I can't reach it.
Guys,
That's
ba't
why
parang
my
hindi
mom.
makita to?
That's why my mom keeps telling me to
Eto,
lose
guys.
weight, to go on a diet,
Ito bagay to. For sure.
to get taller by sleeping. Yeah,
Bagay nga. Kaso hindi kita yun.
bro. I'm gonna have all weapons.
Ito guys.
I feel like that's a.
Ito kasi kay Gojo eh.
How do you even know what Gojo looks like?
Fan ako kay Gojo. Di ba guys, alam niyo na ano? Fan ako kay Gojo.
I have a sword. Yeah, this will be
Guys,
great.
wala akong mapili na hair.
Okay, time.
Ano kaya hair? Wait lang.
Actually, I'm not even looking for online daters. I just want to troll some. I'm not actually looking for one.
Yeah, tas
me try to
napaprank
get
lang
up.
kami.
Oh yes.
Ito
Get
bagay to.
here.
Tas, ba't nandito yung hair ni
Oh, look at
Gojo,
this.
tas glow in the dark?
Look at this place, bro.
We need a
Abandoned.
blunt one. Wait,
So
alam mo guys, ganito yung hair ko.
I actually never knew about this. Like
Kailangan black.
I never knew about the secret room.
Uy,
This
ang
is
ganda
so
ng
cool.
face. Ay, nandito siya. Hala, kamukha niya.
This.
Yung Gojo ni, yung face ni Gojo, parang kamukha ni ano,
That's so
Saiki.
cool. What? Wait, can I see?
Wait, ayan. Tignan mo, hindi ito. Ito.
That does not look like Shaggy.
Guys, ano bagay? Ito ba? Ito yung hinahanap. Ito yung ganitong hinahanap.
I'm gonna look for some at Brooks Diner. Because there's no people at school, so I'm gonna look for Brooks Diner.
Black floppy middle swept hair.
But first, let me get my go-kart back. I double parked it. I'm pretty sure it got towed. I forgot that I was subscribed to Lanky Box. Why am I still subscribed to Lanky Box? Well, I forgot to do that. Whatever.
O kaya ito.
Why do they post like 7 times a day?
Hala, ang bagay. Bagay rin, guys.
Go, go, go.
Ito, ito, ito. Ito na
Blabbermouth.
guys. Ito na guys. For sure. Ito.
That's the St. Luke's Hospital. And
Kailangan search natin to para talaga. Hala, kalat din na mo. Search ko boy handsome face. Tapos ito lumabas si Ken.
I'm gonna look for some online daters that are dating and they're not looking for a gold digger. I'm gonna go real quick.
Yung parang guys, parang yung mga ibang di natin alam.
Well, I just hit another fire hydrant. That checks out
Ayun lang pala.
from Asplat
Kailangan
Legends
lang nila
9 because I have a Nintendo Switch
They're
now.
using
Can I play
it
that?
for money.
Gonna park it. I'm gonna double park so I get
No.
arrested.
Wait guys, but parang ganito yung thing.
Wait, you always have to check the bathroom. What the hell is Skibbity?
Skibidi. What? Skibidi what?
Skibbity womp womp.
Handsome. Wait guys, like ganun?
You know, yeah, I'm gonna get an actual car.
Boom.
Gotta get an actual car. Wait, let me save this
Guys,
avatar real
wala
quick.
talaga. O, face na lang search ko. Ito,
Wait,
cute
basketball
to sa
uniform.
flashy na body. Ito, tinan mo. Uy, bagay ito siya. Ito na ito. Yung glasses yung pinagay.
Okay,
Ito yung favorite glasses ko at lashes.
now time.
At saka ito. Guys, ito rin.
Darn.
Pinakabit. Barney is a
Casually turns in. What do you mean, Barney? Casually turns into Sheriff Woody.
Okay, eto guys. Eto, kailangan ko to. Ay, hala, ba't naging si Woody ka? Sasabihin nila kidnapper kay. kasi yung mga babae, yung nakikita nila sa TikTok, yung mga kalbo, kidnapper.
Hindi nga. Yung ginagawa ko, naghahanap ako ng mga online dater na hindi naghahanap ng tao. Naghahanap ako ng online dater tapos snap back to reality sasabihin ko. Snap back to reality. Alam mo ba yung mukha niyan?
Guys? Ayan, no?
Ha?
Yung face mo na inuman.
Wait.
Face.
Go!
akong
Yeah!
mahanap.
No!
Ito lang nahanap ko for boys. Kaso iba naman.
I'm gonna try doing that again.
Oh my God.
Hello.
Wala yung
Hello,
face.
I'm ready. It's already been 11 minutes. I'm gonna show you guys a life hack. If the roleplay police try catch you.
Guys, ba't may face dito? Handsome.
Wait, let me park my horse.
I-zoom ko. Handsome.
You know what? Bye.
Guys, ba't ba yung parang babae itong makeup? Ang babae ba to? Itong babae. Oh my God! Ito yung ano to.
Oh, bye, horsey. Okay.
Yung anime na face.
If you guys already know about this, then skip this part. Because it's the event one. Or you can go here.
Pwede nyo naman i-skip.
I love doing
Hindi
this.
ko gusto. Eh, di mo na okay.
Negate the hate, guys.
Hala, guys! Ang talaga yun.
You love speaking like a Tagalog live
Tagalog
streamer.
naman talaga ako eh.
A Tagalog live streamer, Kylie. Your subscribers don't know that you're Tagalog, right?
No.
See?
Dahil sa TikTok to.
Oh, okay.
Uy, guys.
I don't have YouTube, so Kylie, wag mo na ako tag kasi wala akong YouTube.
Bakit?
Ay, TikTok pala. Wala akong TikTok. Why do I keep...
Guys, ba't parang paknit?
Kylie, do you know what a pakneneng is?
Ano yun? Baka bad word yun.
Kwek, Kylie.
Ay.
Street food!
Okay. Guys, ito. Hindi.
Ikaw ba yan?
Baka multuin ako. Oo. Uy, grabe. Hindi ako namamato.
I know.
Becomes even more fat.
Bro. I have an idea.
Chapos. Ala, ba't naging ganito yung ulo ko? Ala, Kalel.
Wait, just... You know what? I'm gonna do it to a random person then.
She deserves it. Oh. Nah. I'm just joking.
What is this?
Oh.
See ya.
Everybody, let's kung fu fighting. Nag-hack ako. Nag-hack ako.
Are you serious? Okay, whatever.
Okay na, ready
I
na
quit.
ako.
I quit.
Ready na ako, ikaw. Ready ka na ba? Ba't twist to? Malalaman nila yan.
Get back here, Slender.
Okay.
I negate the hate. Get back here.
Ay,
Where did you go? Barnes. Welcome to Barnes and no.
where did it go?
Actually, you actually sound like that.
What the heck?
Dun, 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 dun,
Guys,
dun, dun, dun.
roleplay ta.
No,
Roleplay ba tayo? Ang dami nagsasabi ng roleplay. Nagla-live ka talaga. Okay. Ako roleplay.
okay, bye-bye.
Hindi guys, day ko rin na lang kaya ako. Except for online daters. Sa Mayon, si God is watching us. It's already 17 minutes. Say 16?
Yeah, I started a minute after you started.
Ano ba't may kulungan dito? Kulungan ba ito nila sa Dress to Impress?
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so
Guys, ang
trippy.
daming kulungan. Sino kaya naglalagay nito?
Me.
Ba't ikaw?
Yes.
Guys, gusto mo gawa tayo ng kung sino mas magandang room. Ayun yung room mo?
Oh my god. Oh my god, they do not know I'm here. Kylie, I'm robbing someone's house!
Ito yung house, diba?
Kylie, wag mo sabihin, please. P.I. Bingo ba?
Kaya magkapit bahay tayo.
What noob?
Kaya magkapit bahay tayo.
So noob to not. Are
Ano?
you serious?
Ang sabi mo?
Let
Nay,
it
nay,
go.
nay, 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 nay.
Bro, you're gonna get canceled for that.
Ano to guys, bagay? Guys,
Haha! Woohoo!
eto na lang kaya.
Kylie, I robbed it. I robbed the house. Getting up!
Ito yung bahay ko. Please, kali dito! Anyways, pangalan ko Kai dito. Pangalan ko ay Kai. Roommate kita.
Yay.
Uy, roommate mo rin ako.
No.
Bawal yung star sa'yo kasi VI premium.
Premium is crazy. Premium.
Premium.
Premium, like iTunes. Don't get me dirty.
Okay, di-design na ako ng bahay ko pang lalaki.
I live in a trailer.
Ha?
I live in a trailer.
Plain trailer. Ba't ang liit ng bahay? Kita. Ay, grabe, ang liit ng bahay.
Kylie, nandito ako sa rooftop ko. Oh.
Ah,
Tingnan mo sa bintana mo.
wait lang guys, para may naalala akong bahay. Yung may stairs. Dinilit ba yun ni Brookhaven? Ito. Ayun yung pinaka-favorite kong bahay. Ayun yung ito yung pinaka-start ko na Pinaglaro ko ng Brookhaven.
Where's that suit that I wore?
At saka yung parang Barbie, ginagawa ko.
By default has to. Yes, I still have my face.
Ding dong, ding dong.
Kylie, check the roof.
Poison. Hello.
What the? How the hell did you get up here?
Payong mo.
Oh, right. I forgot about
Yung
that.
body mo, te. Kaya, malaman pa rin nila yung
Oh, shut up.
Ay, parang mayaman ka dyan. Ayan na lang. Bagay sa'yo.
Kylie.
Ayan kasi Y2K.
Okay. Stand ka dyan. Dyan lang.
Eh, wait. Babababain mo ako eh.
Hindi. Hindi nga yan trapdoor. Ganyan talaga.
Oh, i-unlock mo tapos mapupunta ka sa...
Hindi nga. Hindi
I
nga.
want to go to your backyard.
Gusto mo ban kita?
No.
Pag ayaw mo ikaw maban, punta ka dito. Sa
Sino
white.
mo ban mo ako? Hacker ako. Hacker?
Kelly, kung yari, naging Spider-Man ako tapos nagding-dong ka.
Ding dong dang dong.
Come in. What the?
Bakit?
What were you what the? Where did you? Let me roommate you. Get in here. Get in here. Oh my gosh. Kylie, Kylie, please do not rob me, okay? Right there.
Ito yung ginawa ni Dominic.
I'm gonna put a box.
Kaya ito yung ginawa ni Dominic.
Anong Dominic?
Ito. Yung pinanood natin.
I'm not telling anyone today.
Hindi alam nila.
Okay, I'm gonna put the box. No, I'm not gonna give it to you.
Okay. Bugchi. Ha! Pew. Kalala, boxing. Tin. Guys, gusto ko maging si Cute Cookie Gaming. Ang ganda ng edit niya, ang ganda niya.
This is good
Kamukha
enough.
niya yung dating avatar ko. Sino yung nagna-knock-knock?
One's knocking. Stop, or I will ban you.
Hala ka na, rubber.
What?
Ayan mo! Ayan mo!
That's me.
Hindi, ayan.
Oh crap. The guy is taking vengeance.
Lock the doors.
I already did. Why do I have to be so masungit all the time?
Ako na kalad.
You're gonna deal.
Purple gun.
I'm gonna.
Hala, ba't ka nag-leave?
Hindi ako nag-leave.
Ito naman.
Wait lang.
Ang cute. Ito naman. Ang cute. Guys.
Tininin, tin, tininin, tin, tininin, tininin.
Ito pala yung...
Come! Get back! Get back, gold diggers!
Mananakaw.
Mananakaw ka talaga! Haha!
Sigurado may crush ka.
What is mananakaw?
Ito mananakaw na unahan. Unahan na kurumi.
Mag is the word that my mom forbids me to say. What does nananakaw? What does that mean?
Kaya purple hot dog, white hot dog, green hot dog,
What
red
does
hot dog.
magnakaw even mean?
You steal money. And still, just you forgot to pay. That's stealing. Mananakaw is stealing. got a cute back.
Yeah!
Ano? Ginawa mong blue?
Yes.
Akin purple. Hala, paano mo ginawa yun? Eh, may bayad.
Naku. Tininin, tin, tininin, tin, tininin.
Ay, hindi. Free pala, free.
Yes.
Tapos yung kotse, pag kinulayan mo, tapos pag ginanito mo yung kabayo mo, tinan mo, gagawin ko kulay blue.
Oh wait, that's my horse.
Ito, lalagyan mo ng ano, kung ano yung type ng skin.
That is so crazy. So here's my number.
Ito yung
So
ano.
call me maybe.
What?
Hey, I just met you, and it's crazy. So here's my number. So call me maybe.
Sino ba to ay copy?
La. I'm so good at singing, guys. Definitely not.
Hala, kalila
Some
ko si
random.
Kuloming Unano.
That's that is so racial. Ah!
Ba't bawat tumayo habang lumalakad? Ako nga pwede. Ayun. Kukunin ko yung kabayo mo.
Bakit? Okay.
Hala, may mananakaw dito. Mananakaw talaga yung mga yun.
Kylie, wait lang. Shh. I'm gonna rob someone.
Wait lang, guys.
May nag-rob ng safe ko, Kylie.
Saturday.
Kylie,
Hala, nandito na sila, Falco.
Bakit? May
Dito
nag-rob.
na sila.
Bakit?
Ayan sila. But I don't want to make. Ayun mo, no. Tago.
Hindi yan sila. Si ate nasa practice pa rin. Kasi naiwan ng nanay ko. Nakalimutan.
Dali, ilang percent ka na?
27.
Akin. Guys,
Oh! Stay there!
naging blue.
Go!
Bakit?
Yung nirob ko. Katabi ko yung amo ng bahay.
Ano?
So, yung nirob ko, yung pinabamba ko yung safe nila.
Oh.
Katabi ko pala yung amo ng bahay. Don't worry,
Paano mo alam?
I'll translate.
Paano mo alam?
Nakita ko! Don't worry, I'll translate it. So anyway, so what happened is I robbed the person's safe and then
Nawala yung bahay.
he was I'm probably
Chika flame, shitty.
that's crazy. And the e-bike is getting robbed again. Yay. I'm pretty sure I'm banned. But let's check. Let's
Ano
go.
ba? Ba't
Okay, kaligo ulit ako.
I made a new house. Ayoko na nakabili.
Oh! I'm gonna die.
Kaya gusto mo mag-share ng
Wait
bahay?
lang! Sang! Ano ba't kawat na nadaman?
Oh, shucks!
She's right there. The house is unlocked. I can go in from.
Wait. Can I too? I have a... Hey, stop right there! There's the cop!
That's you're slender.
Because my blue gun! My blue gun!
Saan?
Ayan, no? Ito.
Saan?
Ayan, no? Tinan mo.
Paano?
Taser yan. Hindi. Tinan mo.
Paano? Dito?
Oo.
I can't
Pwede
have
mo rin gawin dito yun eh. Dito, sa dalawa lang eh. Dito rin. Pwede mo
Kylie,
rin.
dali.
Tapos dito rin,
Why
tinan
does
mo.
this feel illegal?
Ito
Because
rin.
it is.
Dito rin. At saka, Dito rin. Lahat ng gun pwede.
Kylie, dali!
Sa lahat ng gun pwede.
Wait lang. Akit mo na ako.
Wait lang. Akit mo. Uy, punta tayo sa backyard niya. Punta tayo sa backyard niya.
Nirab na natin siya eh. Naglagay ako ng... Oh, yes! Kylie, dali! Oh, yes! Nauntog.
Wala naman pain. Anong klase yun? Ulo ko.
Dali ko! Dali! Dali! Takbo!
Dito sa bahay ko!
Retreat! Retreat! Ba't ganyan boses ko? Retreat!
Iba ng kwarto mo.
Ng kwan?
May elevator.
Saan? Ha? Ano?
May elevator.
Ito? Ito.
Oo.
Ito.
Oo. Sa akin to kwarto.
Wait, paano yung elevator?
Ayan.
Wait, anong bahay yung elevator na to?
First floor yan.
Papalit ko nga yung bahay ko pa unlock.
Na-unlock mo. Ito yung bahay ko.
Unlock mo!
Ito yung kwarto ko.
Unlock mo! Lalabas ako.
Ay, akala ko. Never. May basement ako? May basement ako? Ay, oo, swimming pool yung basement ko.
Parang tapos na yung timer ko.
Hindi
So I
pa
can-
sa akin.
So I can get a new house?
Yes!
Anong bahay?
Ha? Yung.
Ayan. Wait.
Ayan, premium to. Premium. Ako yung pipili sa'yo, yung elevator.
Sige. Ay, nabunot. Ay, nabunot yung charger.
Ay, nabunot. Uy, nabunot. Nakalimutan ko eh.
Ito.
Ito may elevator.
Alo,
Parang bahay mo kay Lola Mean, may ganito rin.
what happened to my horse?
Yacht! Shake the yacht!
That's crazy.
Yacht, Ohio, Rizzler. Parang
Don't
bahay
worry.
mo yung kay Lola Mean.
Don't worry, buddy. I'll get you out. Delete. We got him out. Woo!
2 beds to eh. 2 beds.
Eto ba yun?
Ito yung yung
Yes.
ano.
Tininin, tin, tininin, tin, tininin,
Ito yung
tininin.
Ito yung room
Oo, Kylie, syempre.
Ito sa akin.
Oh, this is the one with the...
Ha? Ito sa akin. Parang sleepover tayo.
Okay. Tininin, tin, tininin, tin, tininin. Wait, it's like
Ay,
Harry
hindi. Ito pala
Danger.
yung sa akin. Katabi ng bathtub. Ito yung sa akin.
Up the tube. Down the tube. That's so cool.
Ito yung bahay ko. Tatlo yung beds dito eh. Sa akin to.
Down the tube.
Magdi-design na ako ng kwarto.
Ang galing, dalawa banyo ko.
Sa akin, tatlo eh. Dalawa eh.
Ay, Kylie, eto ba yung gagamitin mo yung nasa dito, sa living room na banyo,
Hindi,
Kylie?
sa akin to.
Eto ba yung gagamitin mo na banyo, Kylie?
Oo.
Paano pag ginagamit ko? How come every time I need to take a poo in the bathroom, you out of
dito
the
sa
blue
taas.
need to take a poo in the
Taas.
bathroom? Just use the guest room bathroom. That's why we have 2 bathrooms. Just use the guest room bathroom. That's why we have 2 bathrooms. Kylie, naka 34 minutes na ako.
Wait lang!
Get up here. Get in here. Tininin.
May toothbrush ka dito?
Kylie,
Ano?
fireplace ako.
Oo nga. Ako rin. Lahat. Meron na lahat.
Kylie,
Ano? Ewan. Ano?
tingnan Tingnan mo. Baka mahanap.
Ay, alam ko na. Gusto mo gawin ko tong safety?
Okay.
Ipaprank ko sila. Akala nila, may ganito rin, tinan mo. Akala nila dito pala yun. Tinan mo.
Okay.
Dito, tinan mo.
Yung nanay ko nandyan.
Oo.
Hi guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.